Marketing mix. Marketing mix is the final lesson we are going to learn for business studies for this term. So after doing this lesson, we will do some revision exercises from next week onwards. And I'll be discussing the answers in the virtual classrooms. So let's begin today's lesson, marketing mix. Marketing mix refers to the set of actions or tactics that a company uses to promote its product in the market. I repeat, the marketing mix refers to the set of actions or tactics that a company uses to promote its product in the market. We know marketing by a business organization means promoting a product among the customers to earn profits. Under marketing mix, we will be learning the things that marketers do or the mechanisms that businesses implement to promote its product among the customers, or the tools that marketers use to promote their product among the customers. Accordingly, marketing mix can also be defined as a combination of marketing tools that a company uses to satisfy their target customers and achieve organizational goals. I repeat, marketing mix can also be identified as a combination of marketing tools that a company uses to satisfy their target customers and achieve organizational goals. This concept, marketing mix, was coined or was proposed by Professor McCarthy. He classifies these tools into 4 broad categories. These 4 elements are product, price, place, and promotion. These elements are collectively called as the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. They are the 4 basic tools that marketers use in marketing to increase their sales and to earn profits. Element number 1, product. Product refers to as a good or a service that a company or a business produces to satisfy customer needs, like a pair of shoes, a lipstick, sugar, cars, mobile phones, laptops, books, pencil cases, pens, photo frames. All these are examples for products. Consumers tend to buy these products when these products satisfy the needs of them. So there is no point in developing a product that nobody wants. So the businesses focus mainly on their product. First, they do researches and find what customers need and produce accordingly. So when they produce a product, they should also think about the quality, the features, design, the style, the brand, packaging, labeling, warranties, everything about the product. Which means businesses need to produce a good quality product that people need. So this is the first and the most important element in marketing mix. Let's see an example. Suppose there is a drink producing business called Ready to Drink Manufacturers. This company produces 200 milliliter box packaging including a small straw with an easy straw access to the beverage on top of the packaging. The packaging is also designed to be leak-free and maintain the liquid airtight for longer shelf life. So if there is no straw, if this packaging is leaking, if it is not attractive, then nobody will buy this product. The second element is price. Price is the amount charged for the product, the amount charged for the good or service. It is the second most important element. Fixing price for a product is a tricky job. The price has to reflect the value placed by the customer for the product, while price should cover the cost of the production as well. Cost is not the only factor in determining the price. There are many more. So the businesses need to be very careful when fixing the price. Element number 3. Element number 3 we are going to discuss is place. Place refers to the location from which goods are sold. Suppose there is a company that produces butter. Place for that particular butter company is the locations where this butter product is sold or where consumers can buy this product. The businesses should make sure that the place is easily accessible or is convenient for the customers. Otherwise, it becomes a failure for the company. For an example, a fast food restaurant which is located in a busy street corner will attract more customers than the same restaurant located outside the city on a constantly empty street. The fourth element is promotion. We have already discussed what promotion is in our previous lessons. Promotion refers to the type of advertising and sales promotions used to support sales and communicate the product values to the customers. So the marketers can use various promotion methods, advertising methods, as we have discussed in our previous lessons. So my dear students, the marketers of a business should mix all these four main elements to do a successful marketing process. This is why we call this as marketing mix. The businesses should consider about these four elements: product, price, place and promotion very carefully in order to increase their sales and earn profits. Thank you.